When Lady Khadija's illness reached a critical state, she said to the Messenger of Allah,
O Messenger of Allah, listen to my last will. Firstly, I confess my shortcomings in fulfilling your rights. I request your forgiveness.
The Messenger of Allah said,
Never have I seen any deficiency in you. Not only have you fulfilled my rights impeccably, but you have also devoted yourself to the upbringing and care of our children, endured hardships in this path and spent all your wealth in the cause of Allah.
Lady Khadija said,
My second will is to please take care of Fatima, my daughter, who will be an orphan after my demise. Ensure she is not tormented by any Quraysh women, slapped, cursed, or looked upon with contempt. And my third will, which I am ashamed to say directly to you, O Messenger of Allah. I will tell that to Fatima and she will share that with you.
Upon hearing this, the Messenger of Allah stood up and left the room. Lady Khadija summoned Lady Fatima Zahra and said,
My beloved daughter, the joy and comfort of my heart. Tell your father that I fear the grave. Ask him to provide me shroud with the cloak in which he received revelation.
Lady Fatima immediately went out and conveyed her mother's message to the Messenger of Allah. The Prophet then handed over his blessed cloak to Lady Fatima. When the time came to shroud Lady Khadija, Jibreel descended and said,
O Messenger of Allah, Allah has sent his greetings and a special gift. He says, This is Khadija's shroud made from the garments of paradise.
The Prophet first wrapped Lady Khadija in his own cloak and then covered her with the shroud from paradise. Thus Lady Khadija was laid to rest with two shrouds, one from Allah and one from the Messenger of Allah. This honor was bestowed upon none other than the mother of the believers, Lady Khadija al-Kubra,